Schmidt. So I have this testimonial from a wonderful patient, and I think it was about 3 years ago. She stayed in a moldy hotel for about a week, and she came out of there with really bad arthritis. She went to 3 different hospitals, university hospitals, with no relief. This is medically incurable, but we just straightened out her diet. I put her on some remedies, and the main situation for her is organisms that live inside the joints and inside the cells. These organisms hate blood, and so they leave the bloodstream and they go deep into the body. So I put her on these, it took me about 6 weeks to put her on the correct remedies for that situation. And here it is many months now, 6 months or later, and here's her testimonial.
Hi, I work with Dr. Schmidt since 4 months, and when I came here I was kind of clumsy because I couldn't move my shoulder, which were very painful, and I couldn't move my hips very well because the right one was extremely painful, the left one was painful, and also my Achilles tendons was extremely painful and swollen. And most of the doctor where I went in 3 big university hospital, and all 3 suggested Humira or rheumatology solutions of any kind. I took some cortisone for a year. I took some Voltaren, which is a painkiller, for about a year. And yeah, during the cure I was better, but I couldn't stop the pain when I stopped the medicine. So that was very, very uncomfortable. And now, well, I started the 15th of January, and today is May 18, I think, actually 19, and well, look at me. I can dance with my right hand. I still have some crick in my arm, but I don't feel any pain. It was red and painful on the skin also, and this one didn't move for a long time, and now I can raise it till here, which for me is like a dream, and I can move them certainly up and down like that. I can do some gym, some exercise, and my hip is much better. I should not run probably, but I can move very, very kindly, and my ligament Achilles tendon is actually no longer swollen. It is a bit painful, but not like before, and my life is normal. I can do 90% of my stuff, also washing the floor, which is the most heavy, and sailing boat with my husband, and I'm one that works on the sailing boat, not one that looks around, and everything is much better. And the major 2 things that I got is not only to have less pain, but also the hope that I can live with this sickness despite the pain, because the pain goes down when I have a good diet and when I take the remedies, and this make me hope that I can go forward and be better, or at least stay and do my regular life.